There's no grandmother clocks. I could use some company to pass the time. What has a face, two hands, and no candy? I'll give you a hint. It's me! Hand over the goods. Happy Halloween. Good thing this job pays by the hour. Don't you think it's time you shared some of your candy? Dagnabbit, who turned on the lights? Somebody hit the snooze button. Oh, I see you sneaking around. Oh, I won't say a word if you bring me some candy. It's almost time for the ghosts and spirits to come hither. Quick, hide your sweets in here, forsake.